Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show a demo on how to create a folder with and without a variable using file system task in SSIS. I will show the path where I need to create a directory or folder. So in this path, currently we have 3 Excel sheets. Now I want to create one folder in this path first without using the variable. So, file system task is one of the tasks in the control flow in SSIS, which deals many operations like creating the file or create a directory, moving the file, move the directory, copy the file. All these things it will do many operations. First, you need to select the operations which you want. So here we need to create a folder. That means we need to create a directory. Here you need to go to source new connection. Here we don't want any variable here. That's why I am not taking this as a true. So here go to connection and create a new connection. So whenever you click a new connection, so one window is opened with the usage type create file existing file, create folder existing folder. I want to take the create folder option. Browse. Browse in the sense here I already shown my path in D drive files, D drive files, target in target temp folder. In temp, this is the path. Here I want to name my folder as my folder. This is my folder name. I'm creating this folder. Click OK. So whenever you click the OK after mentioning your name in the path, so this will appear in the source connection and just click OK. If you run this package, you will see one director in this place. So I'm going to run the package now. Yeah, package ran successfully. And go and check your folder. See here, my folder with today's date, June 18th, 5:08 p.m. So this is how you need to create a folder without using the very. Now in my second example, I am just disable this package, this my file system task. I am dragging the one more file system task. So here I want to create a folder with date. In the same folder, I want to create with date, that is June 18th, 2023. So how can I create a folder with date? Create 3 variables here. First one is date. So which is string data type, and second one is source path. Source path also string variable. I am taking this entire path, paste it in value. So third one is a new file path. New file path or new folder path. We are creating here folder with today's date. That's why I'm taking new folder path. So it is the data type also string, but we need to write some expression here. Expression to concatenate the date and the source path. So before that, in today's date, you need to write some expression to build the date. First, today's date means just by using getDate function. GetDate. So if you mention the getDate and evaluate it, it will throw error. We need to do. We need to use the convert function. By using convert function dt underscore str, next 50 is the size, 1252 is the, by using this one even it throws errors. What we want to do is here we use substring function, substring, and keep this entire path as the first parameter and comma 1 starting from 1, and we need to extract, if you mention 20 like this number, you will get like this. The date will be exactly appear like this, 2023-06-18, that is date. So here 17, that is hours, 17 17 hours 11 minutes and 46 um, seconds. So we want only date, we don't want all these things. So for that, instead of 20, I am putting here the 15 and just evaluate. So even though it is the hours and minutes, no change. We want just date part. Yeah, now exactly we're getting only date. The folder name is created with this date only. So whenever you run the package, if you run the package tomorrow, the folder will be created with tomorrow's date. What I want to do here now, I want to replace these icons. Replace, use a replace function. Replace, take this an entire string. Replace. What we want to replace here? We want to replace here icons from the date. Uh, we want to replace icons with empty space. Just mention two or double quotes. That's all. Yeah, and there is no icons here. Just date path will be there, and click OK. Coming to new folder path variable, it is the combination of the source path and today's date. So just to take the source path, and after concatenating these two, the folder will be created with today's date. So with this date path, the folder will be created. Okay, and just clicking the OK file system task. Take the copy of directory and create a directory. So here you need to select true. We already created one variable. Select true and get it in new folder path, and click OK. I will show first of running package. Yeah, it is created. Once again, go and check your folder. See here, the new folder is created with today's date. If you want to observe this destination directory option, use directory if exists false. So if you run the package one more time, it will throw error, because with that file name it's already there. That is the meaning of this error. So if you want to change this is to true, then you don't find any error even if you run the second time. So with this time, the old directory will replace with the new directory with same date. Yeah, we go and check the path. See here, the file has been created again with the same name. Okay. This is how directory with and without using variable. The tricky part here is writing the expressions to date part. So how we write the date part here, I will explain again. Just first you drag the getDate function, getDate with the close and opening braces. Then you have to convert the date into the string part by using dt underscore str 50 and 1252. These are the parameters to change the date to string part. So after that you can use the substring function. Substring is used one of the string function. Substring will take this entire string till getDate as one parameter. Actually, it is we use three parameters in substring. For this part as one for first parameter, and it will count from first onwards, and it want to subtract from the date till 10. 10 means you can get only date part only. Otherwise, you will get hours and seconds, minutes, everything you will get. We want only date part. That's why I use it to only 10. If you mention more than 12 like that, you will get the hour part only. Hours also. Afterwards, you can, if you want to replace with the hyphens, you can replace. Otherwise, you can just leave it. So this is the tricky part in this example. So in real-time scenarios also you need to create the folder with the dates and all these things. Every time, whenever you are getting the files from the client or third party, you need to create one folder with the date so that you can move all these files into that date. So by this example, hope you will understand how to create a folder with and without variable, and how to create a folder with date. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.